Hello, my name is Marco Hulsewé. I'm the founder and CEO of teamOn Corporate Finance. Today, I would like to explain about who we are and what we do. If you want to contact us, reach out to us. We are very happy to have a conversation with you via Teams, email, or in person. First of all, what do? We are dedicated to three fields: corporate finance, investment, and real estate. What is corporate finance all about? What do we do? Basically, we acquire or sell companies for business owners, families, and private equity funds. We also provide services in the area of growth capital, and this is something that becomes more and more relevant for business owners that want to expand their company. Traditionally, business owners used to go to the bank, but the banks nowadays are becoming less and less relevant in the field of finance for companies. And we are more and more working with investors that would like to sponsor companies to accelerate growth by investing in growth capital in those companies. Additionally, we provide investment advisory. What is that? Investment advisory is basically providing investment opportunities for family offices, private equity firms, and investors in general. Lastly, we also provide real estate services for companies. Basically, what we do is we acquire or sell real estate assets for our clients, and sometimes we provide solutions like, for example, a sale-leaseback for a family-owned company that might want to potentially sell the business, but not the real estate. Thank you very much for your time. I hope this was interesting for you. If you want to know anything more, please reach out to me via email or LinkedIn. And hopefully we get to know each other soon. Bye.